encourage me by liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on my video. There are the connections. Pin 1 of the keypad goes to the pin 2 of the Arduino. Pin 2 of the keypad goes to the pin 3 of the Arduino and so on. But there's a catch. Pin 5 doesn't go to pin 6. Pin 5 of the keypad goes to the pin 9 of the Arduino. And pin 6 of the keypad goes to pin 6 of the Arduino and so on. So now here they are, the servo motor connections. Pin red goes to the 5 volt. Then this brown color wire goes to the ground. Then the orange color wire goes to the pin 11 of the Arduino and the connections are done. Let's take a quick walkthrough through the Amar Techs safe. I have used the cardboard from the calendar. These cardboards are very strong, so I had to drill a hole using the drilling machine. Now, I have put ice cream sticks for the reinforcement of the safe, and I placed the ice cream stick in such a way that this area forms a triangle. Now you may ask why a triangle? Because triangle is the strongest shape ever known. Now, thirdly, coming back to the connections, you don't want wires to twist or bend or even loosely connected. So I made a slot here using the drilling machine, and then I put these wires through them, and then now this is comfortable. I have a question for you. What is this ice cream stick here for? This is not for the reinforcement of the safe. I'll give you one clue. And then the other clue is that this is related to the main idea of the making of the safe. Now you can pause the video so that you can think. Understood. Now, if this ice cream stick wasn't there, what would happen? I could have widened this up cardboard easily and I could have opened this. Now, the ice cream stick is here, so I can't widen it. And now it is locked. And after that, I am going to use this, one of my art pieces, as a roof. Then this art piece as the base. You can use those things as the base and the roof. So we are done with the assembly. Why can you use the safe? This safe can be used in schools. You can use this metal instead of cardboard, and no need for reinforcements which I have put, because metal itself is very strong, and this whole thing costs around 1600 rupees, and that too it is very cheap if it is 1600 rupees. And instead of the students carrying load on their back and having problems related to the spine, they can use this safe which can be kept in the school permanently, and the students can keep their belongings inside the safe. How else can you use this safe? It's totally up to you, but if you like to take a tip of mine, you can use it in your house as well. You like to keep your jewelry and your precious items like money, wallet, credit card, PAN card, etc. in this safe. and no one will be able to receive it until they open this safe. Please like the video, comment on it, and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos about electronics, Arduino, etc. And do share my video if you like to.